Welcome back to the channel. Here is a new start gate. This is a 2-lane, 2-car Hot Wheels start gate. And I have changed the design of this from the previous start gates. And all these older start gates will have this new design implemented. And you might be able to see the difference right here. I've included a front and back plate, which you can mount this directly to the surface on which you have the start gate on. Why have I done this rather than a separate bracket? I just find it's easier to have this bracket built into the body of the start gate. So all you need to do is just set your start gate up on the angle that you need. You put 2 screws into here, or 2 screws on the back, or whatever, and the thing is really secure. And of course, it connects to a Hot Wheels track, just like that. And you can always obscure the this little bracket here by putting whatever you want there, some grass or some trees if you don't like the look of that. However, I think the design is very handy that it's built into the model itself, and that all you need to do is get a 5mm screw. It needs to be a flat head. It needs to be, like, the head needs to be flat and not concave, and then you can screw that in either front or back, and this will give you a really solid foundation for your start gate in which to function from. This is the first design that I made. While it is very good and it's functional. This is magnetic. This action here is all magnetic, and the magnets can be changed out if there is a problem with the gate. In actual fact, all of these gates here can come with spare parts in case something malfunctions. So, but this gate here was great, and I did make a bracket for this. However, this redesign I think is far better now that it's inbuilt into the body. So, how good does blue look, by the way? So this is a two-lane Hot Wheels start gate, and it can hold two cars, if you know what I mean. That way. So there's plenty of length there to run your 2 cars from. In that, a couple of features of the new design is this is the 3mm plate here. The outer walls of this are 3mm, along with 3mm here. The base itself, I think that's around about 7.5mm, and the actual wall, the internal wall of the bottom of the casing is 3.8mm. So this thing is really rock solid. I reckon you could drive a car over this and it won't break. That's how solid these things are. You really need to have a solid start gate when racing. So this is a new product, and I'll have this available up on Etsy tomorrow, being Sunday. And it's all it's a 2-piece gate with the included bracket here to mount it onto the surface that you're doing. So yeah, I'm very wrapped with the colour. These will come in blue, black, white and grey, and maybe orange, depending on the call out for orange start gates. So there you go. There's a 2-car length Hot Wheels start gate. And how good does this look? It's a very solid piece. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.